Hey, John Dow, the Conversation Coach here, and in this video we're going to do another quick, easy English lesson with how do you say, some pronunciation practice. Let's talk. So I just got off a client call, very immediate and fresh off the top of my mind. Let's tackle the word close. Now, it gets tricky because if you look at the base word, you have cloth, right? But unless you're a fashion designer or unless you're playing a game where you're gathering materials or you need to understand the concepts and the differences of fabric, you're not going to use the word cloth. It's a very much more limited word, only certain circumstances and situations. But everyone else, we need to know the word close. And C-L-O-T-H-E-S, it just sounds like close, C-L-O-S-E. Same pronunciation, just like if you're closing the door. Okay, so you need to wash your clothes. You need to pick up your clothes. Close. Got it? That's going to be it for this video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you disagree or have any future questions, leave a comment. And if you have any other requests, you can tweet me at COMMDAO. Calm down. Let's talk.